Relief operations continue for victims of Typhoon Labuyo. The Department of Social Welfare and Development is leading the relief operations for thousands of families still in 69 evacuation centers in affected areas. The weather disturbance, the strongest so far to hit the country, left at least 4 people dead. More from Aya Macalma.
4 persons were confirmed dead in the wake of Typhoon Labuyo. The National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council said 3 of the fatalities were drowning victims and 1 was buried alive by a landslide. 11 remain missing while 6 were injured. The number of affected population blew up to 31,287 families, or 153,893 persons in 15 provinces in Region 1, 2, 3, 5, and Cordillera region. 7,810 families stayed in evacuation centers. The agency reported an initial damage of 69 million pesos in infrastructure and agriculture in regions 1, 2, 3, and Cordillera region. Aurora province, where the typhoon first hit land and sustained 43 million pesos in damage. And the RRMC spokesman Major Reynaldo Balido said they are expecting the cost of damage to increase in the coming days. He also said that their information dissemination was successful because they were able to alert people in affected areas before Labuyo made a landfall.
We are successful. As a matter of fact, bago mag-landfall or bago dumating si Typhoon Labuyo, dun sa expected na kung saan siya magla-landfall, nakapag-conduct sila ng preemptive evacuation.
The agency will remain on red alert even as the weather continues to get better.
Marami pong factors. Una-una, kakalabas lang ni Bagyong Labuyo. Hindi natin alam, may mga tulad ng sabi, enhance pa rin niya yung southwest monsoon. And yung effects ng itong si Bagyong Labuyo, kasalukuyan pa rin natin tinatanggap. So, kailangan natin pagtuunan ng pansin. And the RMC is still on red alert.
For the People's Television, Waywaya Macalma.